Morning, students. One information to you. Now we are doing some word problems, and until we will not understand the words and the sentences are given in the question, it is very difficult for us to solve it. Earlier I told you, now I am telling you, read the questions very carefully. Question number 3 to 7, all the questions you read very nicely today. At least 3-4 times you read them one by one. Before doing any one questions, we need the meaning, what things they are asking to do. Means to find out something, our motto to find that thing through a particular way. Okay. Now you see question number 3, exercise 6.3. Given 3 numbers, they are ratio 3, 4, 5. 3:4:5. So you can consider that the numbers are 3x, 4x and 5x. And it is given that smallest and the greatest number, if we add them, this is the third number. This sum of these two numbers, greatest and the smallest, is exceeds the third number. Third number means here 4x and 64, exceeds by 64. Means if we add the smallest and greatest number, it is equal to 4x plus 64. Clear? Now 4x will come this side, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 minus 4, 4. 4x equals 64, x equals to, we got 16. So the numbers are, you must put the value of x here, 3 into 16, 4 into 16, 5 into 16. Clear? Next one fractional number. Here it is told that rational number. Rational number, it is numerator x and denominator x plus 5. Okay. Now if we add 11 to the numerator and subtract 14 from the denominator, it will become 5. This is the condition. Now calculating, we are getting x plus 11 and x minus 9, this cross multiplication, this into this, it is coming here. Then x, this 5 minus 5 will come this side and this will come this side. This is minus 56, here minus 4. This minus minus cancel, x equals to 14. Again we will put this value of x is here, x by x plus 5, we are getting 14 by 19. Clear? 5. Units place and tens place. Suppose one is there 72, this is a number. 72 means 7 into 10 plus 2. Earlier we have known, when he was very small, imagine 7 tens 2 equals to 72, 2 tens 5 equals to 25. Same way here, 72 means 7 into 10 plus 2. So if we consider the tens digit and ones digit in different way, if we ones digit means units place is x, and tens place or tens digit is 9 minus x. Why 9 minus x? Because not units place and tens place digit equals to, sum of these two equals to 9. Suppose here 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 total, so 9 minus x, that is the tens digit. So what is the number? 10 into this plus this, 10 into this plus this. So this is 90 minus 9x coming. What? Now on interchanging the digits, when suppose we have 72 was there, if you interchange this, it will become 27. Same way, on interchanging the digits, we got the units digit is 9 minus x. There you got x, here 9 minus x. And there it was, x was units, now tens is x. Exchanging it. Okay. So now new number, 10 into tens place here, and this is ones place. Always it will be added. This is 9x plus 9. Now they are saying the new number after interchanging it, the number we got, this is the previous number plus 27. Now calculating, we are getting x equals to 6. Okay. So what is the number? 90 minus 9 into 6, because number was 90 minus 9x. Okay. Sixth one, same way you will do, try to do. And seventh one, today's last event, seventh one, someone is thinking a number. Suppose this is x. Now we are subtracting subtracting 2 by 3 from this number. Again we are multiplying by 9. It is 7 into the thinking number, means this you have taken 7 times, means 7 into x. Now calculate this into this is, this into this and this. From here you are getting x equals to 3. That means we thought, or someone, Mr. something, who thinks this number, that is 3. Okay. Now your work 1 to 7, these things all you will do very nicely, and some examples are there, you will do plus examples only in your own copy. Okay, examples, but this should be done in fair copy and very nicely you do. Try to understand. Thank you.